In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Make.com, using easy steps, paving the way for an array of powerful automations that can enhance your productivity. Whether you're looking to auto-upload files, back up important documents, save PDFs, set up intricate AI workflows, or automate the saving of Gmail attachments, having Google Drive linked with Make.com will effortlessly streamline your tasks. Now let's dive into the simple yet effective flow that connects Google Drive with Make.com and other applications like Telegram, Gmail, or Google Sheets. To get started, head over to Make.com. Once you're there, you'll find the option to create a new scenario. This will be the backbone of your automation process, allowing various applications to communicate with each other seamlessly. Next up, we need to integrate Google Drive into this scenario. To do this, click on the plus icon, a feature within Make.com that enables you to add new applications to your workflow. In the search bar that appears, type in Google Drive. Then select the module that best fits your needs. For instance, if you're focusing more on getting files into Drive, the Upload a File module will be your go-to. On the other hand, if you're more interested in monitoring changes within a specific folder, the Watch Files in a Folder option will be ideal. Selecting the right module here is crucial as it determines how data from Google Drive will be integrated and used within your automated scenarios. After you've chosen your preferred module, the next step involves creating a connection between Make.com and Google Drive. This seamless connectivity is facilitated through a simple action, clicking Create a Connection. It's a straightforward process which ensures that you have granted permission for these two platforms to work together harmoniously. Upon initiating this connection, a pop-up will appear asking you to sign in with your Google account. This is where you need to select the Gmail account that is connected to your Google Drive, such as your name at gmail.com, and proceed by clicking Allow. This step is crucial as it gives Make.com the necessary permissions